Namaste and welcome to the world of Hatha Yoga. Are you ready to unlock the potential and transform your life? Our Hatha Yoga teacher training course can help you achieve just that. Hatha Yoga is an ancient practice that brings harmony between body and mind. It is the foundation of all modern yoga practices and is perfect for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. Hatha Yoga focuses on physical postures, breathing techniques and meditation to help you achieve physical, mental and emotional well-being. Hatha Yoga is designed to solve the basic problem of body and mind by restoring stability and calmness respectively. One of the unique features of Hatha Yoga is that it aims to bring the mind towards equilibrium by utilizing the principle of Ha and Tha. Ha represents the sun or masculine energy, while Tha represents the moon or the feminine energy. By balancing these energies, Hatha Yoga helps to create a state of equilibrium within the body and mind. When energies are balanced, the mind is free from bondage and one can experience a deep sense of peace and tranquility. At this stage, the practitioner is ready and fit to move toward the next journey of inner world known as Raj Yoga. Our experienced teachers will guide you through the history and philosophy of Hatha Yoga, teach you the correct alignment and techniques for each posture, and help you develop your teaching style. You learn about anatomy, meditation, and the chakras, giving you a comprehensive understanding of this ancient practice. Our course is not just about learning the physical posture, it's about transforming your life. You will gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your practice and learn how to incorporate yoga into your daily life. You will also become part of a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for yoga. Our course is internationally recognized, and upon completion, you will receive a Yoga Alliance accredited certification, giving you the skills and credentials to teach Hatha Yoga anywhere in the world. You will also have the opportunity to teach a real class as part of your training, giving you the practical experience you need to succeed as teacher. Our Hatha Yoga teacher training course is a unique program that is conducted on a sustainable farm. At the farm, we believe that the environment plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. We strive to create a sustainable and eco-friendly environment that promotes health and wellness. Our farm is surrounded by lush green and beautiful scenery, providing the perfect setting for a peaceful and rejuvenating yoga experience. We provide healthy and nourishing meals made with fresh and organic ingredients grown on the farm itself. Overall, our Hatha Yoga teacher training course offers a unique and holistic approach to yoga learning, combining the traditional teachings with sustainable living practices. It is the perfect program for those who are passionate about yoga and are looking to deepen their knowledge and experience.